I forgot to ask him that first.
4-0 now.
Okay. Flyers versus Lightning. Lightning are 2 wins, 1 loss, and 2 overtime losses. The Flyers are 5 wins and 1 loss. Ready, steady. Come by the Flyers, we're going to connect with the puck now, connecting with it. The front shoots, it goes wide. Clear back up with the Lightning now. Flyers again, ricocheting on a player in front. Connecting with it, have been battling him for it. Connecting back for it once again. Connecting shoots and it's blocked. Connecting again now. Shoots, block once again. Fires, block to the front. Oh, 10 for Stampers. Stampers turns around. Follows with his stick. Put wide by Couturier. Atkinson with now. Atkinson, that's right.
Oh, goodness.
Shoots blocked. Never trying to do it
I
there.
was expecting.
Lincoln's fast. He doesn't even make trick shots, but he's fast.
I'm on the other table. My goodness.
9 o'clock. Ooh, to the front there. Chance by Couturier, but he misses it. Back for Braden Point now. Point for the Lightning. To the front, blocked. Sergachev plays out the boards out for Kucherov. Kucherov way down. Kucherov in the front. Ooh, shot there and the save made. Kucherov set up Stamkos, but the goalie was in point. Hart got it. Blocked there. Sanheim tries to clear it, and that's blocked. Last one to play in the first period. Kucherov with it now. Shoots blocked. Back in. Ooh, fired wide there by Atkinson. To the side there, the battle for the side. Lightning trying to clear it. Sergachev playing inside there, but now Atkinson comes back for the Flyers. Atkinson around the boards. Shoots in the same thing. Out of play we go. Rocket out of play. Like Hackney, and we still have a tie game. Kucherov with the puck now, playing around the boards for Point. Point has it here. To the front, shoot, scores! 1-0 Lightning, and a one-timer goal there of Stamkos. And the Lightning are on the board. Lightning in the draw again. Flyers clear back to the middle now. On the attack here, Atkinson with the puck, back across, blocked. Atkinson clear back, front shoot! Ooh, and the save made there. The side once again, Atkinson back across for Konecny. Konecny shoots and it goes wide. Coming out, Lightning clear to the center out. Chance for Stamkos once again. Bobbles off his stick. Files for the center, and time. First period over. 1-0 Lightning after 1. Good game so far. Face off in the second here. Fires the attacking in. Right off the bat here, Atkinson with it. Shoots blocked. Lightning clear it now. Kucherov with it. Kucherov setting things up here. Shoots blocked. Kucherov again. Fires it behind the net. Kucherov once again lines up. Shoots blocked.
What?
Push it down.
You got this. You got this.
Kucherov in front. Blocked there. Point with the puck now for the
But
Lightning.
it did go a place that also was good.
In front, block once again by the Flyers. Battle for the center. Provorov out to Konecny Flyers. Back in front of Stamkos. Woof. Clear back into the Flyers though. Point comes back for it now.
Stop.
Point with the puck here now. In the front, blocked.
The same case scenario every time.
So I had the diarrhea yesterday.
To the front. Stamkos shoots, save made. Rebound goes too far. Last one to play in the second period. Flyers clear up the boards now for Atkinson. Atkinson shoots the defensive player in front. Plays across. Shoots, blocked. Back behind the net once again. Now Flyers still in the attack here. Atkinson playing behind the net again. Have been trying to steal it. Unsuccessful. Flyers shoots. Ooh, the rocket there goes wide. Back for Kucherov for the Lightning again, huh? 30 seconds left to go in the second. Shot by Kucherov, blocked. Flyers cleared out for Atkinson. Atkinson shoots. Ooh, a save made there. Atkinson is back for it again now. Kucherov tries to steal it. Back across for Konecny. Konecny rockets that one wide. Behind that. Ooh. Plays behind his own goalie there. Hedman has the puck now. They clear to the side.
Still drunk. It's fine. It's fine.
Shoots as blocked. Fired that
Tail
was
dog.
wide. And time. Second period over. Alright, just for third period's sake, let's go through everything.
Yeah, I'm having the worst time hitting the puck.
That one definitely. But
I'll get no, don't you worry. All gonna get pushed down.
I'm worried.
All the two.
Oh. Every single one.
Every one of my players is really.
Whew, there. All the players are in as place as they can possibly get now to start the third period. 1-0 Lightning going into the third. Ready, steady. Lightning have yet to actually beat the Flyers in a league game, but they come close a couple times. They're in the lead here in the third, though. Flyers in the attack, shot there, connecting with it again. Shoots, block once again. Clear back up with the Lightning now. Braden Point with the puck here. Set up Stamkos for the goal earlier. To the front, it's about fourth inning, and from it. Flyers get it. Connecting, Flyers wide. Atkinson with it now along the side. Atkinson to the side, block once again.
What is like extreme?
Atkinson shoots, block once again.
Banana.
Kucherov with the puck now.
Cherry.
Along the boards for the Lightning. Chips it forward, backwards, trying to get some room there, back across the point.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Again.
But looking back to collect the puck, look for a hold, trying to extend the Lightning lead, plays it back across to Kucherov. Kucherov shoots, ooh, off the post on the far side. A great chance there, the Flyers are back in the attack again now. Atkinson to the front now, chance for Couturier, who knocked off his stick. Hedman comes back with the puck, cleared it by the Lightning. Point with the puck once again. Still a minute 30 on the clock as a result of the Lightning controlling the puck a lot here in this third. Towards the front, block right, battle for the center. Flyers try to clear it out, unsuccessfully. Kucherov has it again now, shoots blocked. Kucherov again, trying to get by Sanheim, again in the front for Stamkos.
Oh, got through, but it didn't have any power.
He got through his grip and off him. Shot there, the save made. Hart makes it over there, keeping his team within a goal. Point trying to get control of the puck, does so. He's behind the net now, looking to extend the Lightning lead once again. Puck cleared up by the Flyers. Atkinson shoots, blocked. Atkinson again around the boards now for Konecny. Drizzles out, he goes to the point, clear back up with the Flyers though. Back across to Atkinson, shoots, saves, he scores! And the Flyers have tied it up. The shot and the rebound, and Couturier will get them within the tie game. 1-1 here in the third now with a minute 19 left to go. Lightning back in the attack here. Lightning are playing some pretty good hockey here against some of the best teams in the league. See if they can keep it going. Shot there by Konecny, straightly blocked. Back cross for Konecny once again. Konecny in the front, block. Last minute of play in the third period. We're tied at 1 here. To the front, block in, fire out. Battle center, chance for Stamkos. Shoots and the save made. Side for Kucherov now. Kucherov again. To the front, ooh, right behind the goalie. No, doesn't go. What a chance there for the Lightning.
Had the right idea, just not.
Oh man, that was lethal. Front for Couturier, shoots on the save made there. Vasilevsky keeping his team tie game now. 30 seconds left to go. And back and forth they go. Shoots, save made. Shot rebound, another save made. Great attack there by the Lightning. Get a few more chances towards the end of this one. And the time continues to wind down. The team is still deadlocked. Hedman clears it out all the way around the boards. Takes wild turns. Doesn't end up in anyone's stick of any danger though.
You know what? That's the answer. Just
10 seconds left now in regulation. Atkinson with the puck behind that play around for Konecny. Konecny shoots, blocked. Back around the boards once again. Back Konecny around the boards. Shoots wide and time.
do you see how hard I'm trying to get that thing in?
Next goal wins. Sudden deathly out for the second time here in Tampa.
I am pushing that thing.
Now you know how I feel.
Steady. Lightning had a one up the lead, but the Flyers tied it up in the third. Shot off the post. Rebound turn for Kevin. Now it's in front for Couturier.
Oh, baby.
Kevin has now. He'll clear it to the sideboards there. They vie for it. Konecny comes up with it. Shoots and it goes wide. A rocket there. Hedman plays it back right now. Battle for it at center here. Point giant. Back comes Steve to Hedman.
What am I doing?
Hedman ends up with the puck after all the shenanigans. Point has it now in the corner for him. This is the Lightning's third overtime game this season. With 6 matchups. Half the time when they play, the game goes to overtime.
That's good.
It's mixed with some exciting games. That's for sure. Ooh, long shot there. Save, rebound there, great save.
Because even if you lose, you're still getting a point.
Couturier,
And that's
Rob,
what
and
counts.
Konecny all with a shot. But Vasilevsky equal the challenge, keeping the game tied at 0 here in overtime. Kucherov to the front. Ooh, pinballs around there. Chance for the Lightning ended. Kucherov comes back for it again now. He'll line up once again, fired and blocked. Looking to slip a pass. Instantly stolen there by the Flyers. Back in the attack now is Konecny. Puts it wide. Battle for it in the middle. Here scores! And it
Wow.
The Flyers will take the win. 2-1 in overtime.
Wow.
Man, oh man.
Wow.
Aaron's putting up some good games.
My
in this.
goodness. Nice, Aaron. Nice.
Oh, well, that was stressful. That was stressful.
So what we have left now,
Oh, you're welcome.